Studying in 2025 doesn't have to be overwhelming. With the right AI tools, you can study smarter, write faster, and stay organized. Here are 2 AI tools every student should be using right now. First up is Notion AI, your all-in-one productivity sidekick. It's more than just a note-taking app. Notion AI can summarize long lectures, rewrite messy notes, draft essays, create to-do lists, and even brainstorm ideas for your projects. Need to prepare for an exam? Ask Notion to quiz you. Need ideas for your science project? It'll brainstorm with you. It's like having an intelligent study buddy that never gets tired. Next is Scribbr AI, a must-have if you're writing papers. It's packed with tools that help you paraphrase like a pro, avoid plagiarism, and format perfect citations. Just paste your text, and Scribbr will improve your phrasing while keeping your original meaning. Whether it's an essay, research paper, or presentation, Scribbr makes your writing cleaner, clearer, and more academic. With tools like Notion AI and Scribbr, studying in 2025 is less about stress and more about strategy. Use them wisely, and you'll be one step ahead of the class. Like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments, which AI tool do you use the most?